Let's take our next set of birds. First, let's take a water bird. Why? He loves to eat fish at the riverside. Egret. E-G-R-E-T. E-G-R-E-T. Egret. It's a water bird. You find egret by the riverside, canals, fishing. It's a water bird, loves to fish. Right, let's write the E capital. E G R E T. Egret. A lovely, the nice fishing bird. Yes? Next. Next is myna. You like myna? Have you seen myna? Myna? Myna is a bird that you see in the garden. Lovely yellow tiny beak he has. So myna, let's write myna. M Y N A H. Myna. This bird sometimes can be trained to talk. Myna. Let's write the M capital. M Y N A. Myna. Lovely bird with a nice bright yellow beak. Now, what's the next word you'll write? Now, we already did female, that is a hen. Now let's write cock, the most beautiful bird with the lovely feathers. Okay, this is a male bird. C-O-C-K. What does the cock say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Early morning he wakes you up. Cock. Let's write the C capital. C O C K. The bird cock wakes you up in the morning. Next, what shall we write next? Bird. Parrot. Parrot is something like myna. He can talk, but parrot can be trained to talk. So these are two talking birds. Parrot, myna. Parrot. Let's write parrot. P A R R O T. Parrot. Parrot can be taught to speak. Yes. Lovely green bird with red beak. Let's write capital P. P A R R O T. Parrot. Look, first we have a water bird, egret. E-G-R-E-T. Egret is a fishing bird, loves to catch fish. Myna, M-Y-N-A-H. Myna, tiny bird, brown bird that flies around your house with bright yellow beak. He can be trained to talk. Cock, C-O-C-K, cock. He has beautiful feathers and he wakes you up in the morning. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Lovely green bird with red beak, and he can also talk like you. Our next set of birds. The first is a water bird. Okay? Stork. He stands on one leg. You might have seen a skinny little leg bird standing in the riverside. Stork. Let's write S-T-O-R-K, stork. S-T-O-R-K. Stork is a water bird. Sometimes he'll stand on one leg waiting for the fish to pass by. Let's write the S capital. S T O R K stock. Next, what's the next bird we'll write? Robin, tiny robin, his breast will be red color. Sometimes we see him on the cherry tree. Robin is a tiny, beautiful bird with a red breast. Robin, R O B I N, Robin. It's most beautiful bird, brown bird with a red chest. There's a song about Robin, Robin, red breast. Yes, that's right. R capital, R O B I N, Robin. And our next bird name is dove, sweet little dove. Everybody like peace, a bird of peace. D O V E, a bird, symbol of peace. Let's write the D capital. D O V E, dove. Everybody loves doves. Yes. And finally another bird. The last bird that we have is quail. Q U A I, quail. You will see this tiny bird with nice white spots in the market. Quail. The tiny eggs, quail eggs are available in the market. Let's write the Q capital. Q U A I L, quail. The first one, STORK, stork, is a water bird. Robin, ROBIN, robin is a tiny bird with a red breast. Dove, a bird of symbol of peace, DOVE, dove. Quail, QUAIL, quail. You see this bird very often at the market. Let's take our next set of birds. First we'll take a water bird. You'll find this wherever there is water. Seagull. He can fly long distances. Okay? Now let's write S E A C G U L, seagull. It's a beautiful bird, can fly very long distance over the waters. It's a water bird. Let's write S capital. S E A G U L, seagull. What is that bird? Seagull, a water bird. Next, turkey. Turkey is a lovely bird, huge bird, and it will go on saying cluck, 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 cluck. It has nice red comb on its head and down its beak. Turkey. You shouldn't disturb turkey. T U R K E Y, turkey. Among turkey you find there are male and female birds. Now let's write the T capital. T U R K E Y, turkey. And the next bird we'll write is rooster. Rooster is the male bird. R O O S T E R. Rooster. Stand on top of the house, hen house, and say cock-a-doodle-doo. It's got beautiful feathers on him. It's a male bird. Let's write the R capital. R. O O S T E R. Rooster. And finally, our next bird is heron. That's also a water bird. H E R O N. Heron. Let's write the H capital. H E R O N. Heron. Again, it's a water bird. Seagull. Seagull can fly very high. Wherever there is oceans, you'll find the seagull flying across the seas. It's a water bird. Turkey, a huge bird. There are male and females in this. Turkey, turkey. Rooster, a male bird. Rooster, rooster, and it's got lovely tail with colorful feathers. Heron, Heron, heron. It's a water bird. Wherever there is water, you will find heron fishing over there.